Another health concern this morning, Megan, measles cases are on the rise, even though, the disease was declared eliminated in the country back in the year 2000.
Raphael, that's right. And last year, more than 1,200 cases were reported across the country. So I went in search for the reasons behind the resurgence.
Did you ever picture a resurgence or a spike in measles like we're seeing now when you heard about coronavirus?
As those of us in infectious disease, that was the first thing we thought about.
Dr. John Chandy is a pediatrician and infectious disease physician at IU's School of Medicine, and he wants to warn Hoosiers about the growing danger of measles.
It's actually more contagious than COVID. Measles is very contagious.
Even though it's contagious,
It can kill children and still does, many thousands of children worldwide, so it could be a terrible disease.
catching it is preventable with the measles, mumps, and rubella vaccine. But Dr. John says with the pandemic,
Rates of vaccination have gone way down.
because people are worried about catching coronavirus at the doctor's office.
Your risk of COVID going to a doctor's office is low, so get your kids immunized. That's number one, by far the most important thing I can say.
He predicts measles will spread quickly when COVID travel restrictions are lifted.
Then we have a real risk for a kind of measles wildfire.
Dr. John says he knows some people question vaccinations.
And it's our work as pediatricians to let them know the facts about it, that it's safe, and that if they don't vaccinate, they put not only their child, but a lot of other children at risk.
His message is an effort to avoid reverse situations he's seen overseas, where people don't have access to a vaccine and face a measles outbreak.
In places where people know that it's bad, they're fighting to get vaccinated. And we just need to have that same thing here, like get in, get vaccinated.
And so you know measles is spread through contact with throat or nose droplets when people sneeze or cough. Signs of measles include a whole body rash like you saw, fever, pink eye, and a runny nose.